future is bright. My future is going where I want it to go. I'm going in the direction that I want to go in for numerous reasons, emotionally, personally, physically, mentally. They're all coming together. So that's really good, positive for me. Yeah, direction is probably a good thing, and that's probably what I want to get from this course, is me, direction, life. Who am I? Where am I going? Where do I want to really go? Without all the filters, as you say. Get rid of them, then let's look at what I'm going to be doing. Emotion. It affects me all the time.
Yeah.
And that used to be fun. I used to enjoy life.
Mm-hmm.
Enjoy being around people. And I still do. I never used to worry about things as much as I do now. And is everyone okay? Am I doing okay for them? I do have insecurities, I guess we all do. So yeah, I guess when you're not worth it, maybe that's an insecurity. I do feel happy now. I feel happy in myself, which is important, and that's probably what I didn't have. So being happy in myself isn't dependent on other people. Whereas before I probably thought it was. I'm not happy because of this, because of that. Now I'm happy because of me, which is where I need to be. That's a direction that I need to have, that I wanted to have, because I felt like I didn't have one. I was doing everyone else's direction but mine. I don't have the confusion. I've got a direction of where I'm going. How I'm going to get there. I'm working on that, but at least I know where I'm going now. Confusion's not there anymore. So I can see that other people's emotions are not going to trigger me, which is good, because I'm very passionate, so I can be triggered quite easily. Investment, absolutely worth it. You need to do it. You got to do it. Yeah, definitely. No other courses compare to this. You just got to do it. At the end of the day, you can't live your life crying all the time.